Then he had this one about clean your room, then you make it beautiful. And then my sensei Nato, he said, build all the things. He said, build as much as you can, because when you're building many things, you're learning. Okay. And he also says, if you build, they will come. That's exactly what we do here. We build and everyone comes, right? And if we build many things, more knowledge we have. You clean your room, or you clean your desk, you clean anything, the system, and it looks better, and then you make it beautiful. That's how I see it. So I'm teaching you my experience, the way I see things. This is life, science, psychology, technology, all together. And I want to share that with you because it hasn't been easy. It's never easy. But you know what? We found a way to hack the mind, to break your brain, break it, break it apart, put it into pieces. And now I'm doing this with the technologies. When people talk about cloud native, wow, this is something huge, right? Let me break it apart for you. And I'm making you to read 1, 2, 3. I got it. I'm gonna keep going. I love what I'm seeing here. This is better than YouTube, better than anything else out there. Then David Goggins. Everyone knows David Goggins. And then I shared this one about Carl Jung. You know him. You probably hear about him. How I went through a phase where I was questioning everything: who we are, where are we going, why are we here, all that kinds of stuff. And then I was going through a phase, and to doing that phase, which was this year, I feel like, wow, this is exactly what I was living. I listened to this video a few months after. I was like, now I understand. Now it was a mission, a purpose, and I was connecting all the dots: technology, personal life, politics, psychology,